Hello everyone, I'm Dukmal from SSW. Today I'm going to show you the POC of Microsoft Copilot Studio. It will be our next generation of SophieBot. First, let's have a look at our current SophieBot. For the tech stack, we are using Microsoft Bot Framework Composer. It is a low-code platform to build bots. We are using Azure Language Understanding, LUIS, for parsing queries. We are using Azure Q&A Maker to answer questions related to SharePoint. For the cost, it is around $500 a month. Next, the pain. First, it can only answer certain questions. So our SophieBot can only answer queries we implemented. For example, if I ask SSW rules repo URL, it cannot understand it and it gives me the wrong answer. And next thing is it cannot accurately parse queries. For example, if I ask who is in the Sydney office now, it is working, but with a small trick. Like I ask who is currently in the Sydney office, it cannot recognize it. And the next two things would be LUIS and Q&A Maker will be retired soon. Next, let's have a look at Microsoft Copilot Studio. A short introduction would be it's a low-code tool with AI capabilities. The first awesome feature I want to show you is generative answers. In Copilot Studio, you can add the website URL, some public website, and even the SharePoint. So here we added GitHub, we added rules, website, and a SharePoint URL. With this simple configuration, it can almost answer any questions. So you can see it can answer next SSW event, answer question related to rules, and also GitHub questions, and even the SharePoint questions. And next feature I want to show you is it can parse queries with LLM. So first, let's have a look at how Composer do it. So in Composer, in order to parse queries, we added a lot of phrases. You can see on the screen. And sometimes it is still not accurate. And in Microsoft Copilot Studio, you can do it through LLM. For example, you can select a trigger called Triggered by Copilot, and you can add a simple description. So it will use LLM to identify the intent. So once you got this intent, you can parse the queries using prompt. It will be more accurate. And next demo I want to show you is Power Automate. So Microsoft Copilot Studio is seamlessly integrated with Power Automate. So it can help us do a lot of tasks. For example, I implemented two workflows. One is to send a running late email, and one is to send work from home email. So let's have a look. So if I say I am late, it will pop up a form to let you fill in some mandatory field. For reason, bus is late. For time, I will select 9:30. Click submit. Done. Email sent. If you go to your inbox, And you can see this email is sent. And for testing purpose, I'm just sending to myself. And similar, if you want to say, I want to work from home. It will pop up a similar form. And for reason, you can say not feeling good. And work from date will be tomorrow. And you also need to select a makeup date. Next Monday, click submit. Done. Let's see our inbox. Now you can see this email is sent. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. Last but not least, for Microsoft Copilot Studio, it also supports adaptive cars. You can see this is a demo and we can get exactly the same car as we have in the composer. So it means we can keep all the beautiful cars. Next, let's have a quick summary. So for Microsoft Copilot Studio, it supports generative answers. It also supports parse queries with LLM. It will make the bot more accurate. And it supports Power Automate. I think it is a very promising feature. It can help us do a lot of tasks. It also supports adaptive cars. It has a cheaper price, it's around $300 a month. And for the cons, it is not suitable for complex logic. Let me give you an example. So in profile card, we have today, it is the status calculated based on the appointment. So in composer, it is done through the code, but in the Copilot Studio, it is a pure low-code platform. It is hard to add code into it. So it is not suitable for complex logic. But one way to handle it is we can build a middleware between the Copilot Studio and People API. It could be a Azure function, so it can handle the complex logic. And the next cons is it doesn't have any version control. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.